Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is chain, a B1 level noun meaning a connected series of links. A chain is usually made of metal and used for fastening, holding, or pulling things. You might use it to secure a bicycle or hoist heavy objects. A good synonym for chain is series, like a series of events led to the discovery, or sequence, such as the movie had a confusing sequence of scenes. Another close synonym is string, for example, a string of pearls. On the other hand, an antonym for chain is separate, as in we need to keep these items separate or independent, like she runs an independent business, and also disjointed, like the story felt disjointed and confusing. In everyday life, you could say, I locked my bike with a chain, or the company has a chain of stores all over the country. You could also say, they formed a human chain to pass buckets of water, or that restaurant is part of a fast food chain. Another example is a chain reaction started after the first incident. Remember the phrase a chain of command? Well, that's another use of our word. You could say, the dog was on a chain. Finally, think of it this way, the necklace was a beautiful gold chain. So, today we talked about the word chain, which means a connected series of links, with synonyms like series, sequence, and string, and antonyms like separate, independent, and disjointed. Thank you for tuning in today, everyone. Remember to subscribe to Hello Word so you don't miss an episode, and please leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using the word chain and share it in the comments below.